Is going to a character meal without kids weird? Well, we're going to find out. Now, you might think it's weird, grown adults going to see characters and eat food, but don't worry, it's not just Patty and me. We actually decided we should probably bring somebody along with us, and so we brought Jonathan and Anna from Tree Talker the Traveler. Guys, thanks for joining us for dinner.
We'll cover you.
Yeah.
Someone's going to be the child. Right?
Yeah, who's going to be? Well, Jonathan's younger than me, so I guess he's like our son.
Yeah. If you had sons, really?
Yeah.
So the first thing we need to do is we need to get to our destination. And, you know, here at Disney, that's always an adventure. So we're going to start by grabbing a boat here at Fort Wilderness and start heading that way. What do we do, lose the girls?
Yes.
That'll save some money.
Yeah.
Well, we have arrived to our restaurant. Now we're just waiting for our table.
Where could it be?
Do you want to tell them where we're at?
Do you want to?
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
1900 Park Fair at the Grand Floridian. It is a buffet with characters. I heard it was...
Tiana's here.
Tiana.
And I don't know who else.
And some others.
So you might be asking, like, why would grown adults spend this kind of money to go meet characters without children?
Why not?
There's lots of different reasons. You know, some adults just really enjoy the characters and they want that experience, and then others like us, coming back to this restaurant brings back a lot of memories. We've done a lot of meals here with my family over the years, and so
With different characters at the time. I think it was Mary Poppins, Alice in Wonderland, maybe the princesses at one point, so it just changes. Yeah.
So we're excited to come back, see what the meal's like. Again, it is a buffet. It's all you can eat. It's one set price. Honestly, I don't know what the price is, but I'll let you know as soon as I find out. And
Isn't it on Mickey?
Patty.
Cindy's here. Cindy's here.
That's a surprise that's your favorite.
Cindy's here.
This is why you come to characters even without.
I need a book. I need a book for her to sign. I need a book.
Maybe she can sign your hanky or your tissue.
I need a book.
Here we go.
Enchanted Dining here at 1900 Park Fair, where we celebrate the magic of comedy. So over here, right, that is
Y'all like move the chairs.
Doesn't matter. Your choice. We're good with either. So it looks like we get to make a wish, and there's going to be a wish celebration.
It's going to be like Jonathan.
Oh, and on the back side, we've got, I think this is who's here tonight. So we've got Cinderella, Princess Tiana, Mirabelle, and Aladdin. So
You have an old fashioned?
What's your wish going to be?
I love Mirabelle.
what's Patty wish for? Oh, it's a secret.
It's a secret.
All right, let's head to the buffet, Jonathan.
Yeah, the salad's where they get you, so.
Yeah, do not load up on salads. This looks like the little Skipper's kids bar. Pizzas, chicken fingers.
Let's start right here.
Over here, we've got chicken noodle soup. That looks good. Gumbo, rice. Happy holiday to you, too. Oh, it looks delicious. Ooh, some baked salmon, green beans, carrots, mashed potatoes. Looks like we got a full array of sauces. And right there is what carving station.
Prime
you know what?
rib and roasted pork loin.
Prime rib, roasted pork loin. We got breads and spreads, a full salads, cheeses, prepared salads. Boy,
Couscous, broccoli.
salads. I see peel and eat shrimp.
And then you got...
And then we have lots of desserts, but we'll save that for later. So I say let's grab a plate and get started. All right, here's my first plate. I got some broccoli salad, some kale salad. I got some assorted cheeses, focaccia with some roasted tomato spread, peel and eat shrimp. And when I saw they had gummy bears on the kids bar, of course I had to grab some. What'd you get, Patty? Anything different?
Salad,
Tossed
fruit.
salad,
This
fruit,
is
broccoli,
and
yep.
loaded baked potato.
All right.
And then a roll.
And Jonathan's already went for the prime rib.
And the gumbo.
And the gumbo, yeah. I'm pacing myself. Yeah, Patty, you got to get your picture.
What? One more. Patty, you want your picture?
I'll wait for Cindy.
All right.
Did Patty get missed?
All right. Plate number 2. Got some prime rib, some mashed potatoes, some green beans, chicken curry, a fried cauliflower, and Tiana's gumbo over some white rice. So it looks like Patty's got the pork and the gumbo. She went with some veggies. And I have
turkey meatballs.
Turkey meatballs. Speaking of Tiana, looky there. I suppose she'll be here in a little bit, but. So what are you most excited for?
Cindy. Cindy's here.
Yeah, and you know, anybody watching this, you know that Patty's not faking this. Like, that is pure excitement in her face. I've been married to you for 33 years. I know when it's real.
Cindy's the best.
Hey, looks like y'all got some yummy food as well. Delaney friends wanted portraits together too.
You better get up there, Patty. Real quick.
All right, Patty.
I love the dress. The very end.
Patty's gonna get one more.
Yeah.
No, you got rid of Patty. He's got the kid.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, sure.
All right.
One more. I'm sorry. My wife is beckoning to me. You mind taking a picture?
Do you prefer it one way or the other? Okay, we'll go this way. Here we go. I'm gonna take 3. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That's how you know how much I care.
Look who the big softy is in the group.
Now there's our new shirt. Thank you.
Hi, Cinderella.
We matched, don't we?
We do.
Oh, how wonderful.
I know. You're my favorite.
I'm so honored.
Do you mind if I get a photo with you? I don't want the train to go. I'm gonna get back to
All right. What about you, Jonathan?
I think I'm good.
Okay. That's funny. When you said that, she looked relieved. Did that make your night?
It did. She's sweet. Cindy's always the best.
Yeah.
No, if it was Ariel.
Oh, you're an Ariel guy. Yeah.
Or Jazz.
I'm a Belle fan, which is not here tonight. So. All right, I went back up again. I got some carrots, a sausage, some of their mac and cheese. I wanted to try the salmon, and then a few of the things I really enjoyed the first time are the mashed potatoes are amazing. A little more prime rib, a little more shrimp, and a little chicken noodle soup. And Patty's already on to dessert.
Well, fruit.
Oh, intermezzo. So what do you got there? Some
I
fruit?
got strawberries with whipped cream,
Okay.
some fruit, and then this is strawberry soup.
Oh, which I remember from before. So, and Anna's on to dessert. Oh, that looks delicious.
Cake and some.
I've already eaten the chocolate off, whatever that was.
All right.
The strawberry soup is amazing.
Yeah, I know. I've got to get some of that. I'm still on the lookout for a lad.
I wish my wish,
I wish my wish,
as wish makers do,
as wish makers do,
and believe in myself,
and believe in myself
to make it come true.
to make it come true.
Beautifully done. Funny thing about wishes.
You like it? Thank you.
Oh, there you go. Thank you, Aladdin.
Thank you.
Thank you for stopping. Thank you.
It doesn't matter how old you are. Coming to these things are just so much fun, and the characters are great. They don't care that you're grown adults. You know, they come around, they take photos and videos. And if you have kids, this is a great way at Disney. Instead of hunting all over the park trying to find
Dude, forget the kids.
forget the kids. Honestly, leave the kids at home. You come, get your pictures. And we did, or they did. So are you guys both happy with your experience here at 1900 Park Fair?
I think so. I think so. The food was excellent.
Food was excellent. Prime rib was outstanding.
Prime rib was good. The shrimp was good. The gumbo was good. It brought back memories.
Well,
I think I was happy.
so is it worth the price tag of, drum roll please, $69 for an adult?
Yes. The quality of the food was really, really amazing. And the variety that you get. And you're paying.
It's the experience.
It's the experience, right, exactly. I mean, if you're not into the characters, then maybe this isn't for you, but I actually think it's worth every penny. I thought it was fun tonight.
I'm pretty sure I ate $69 worth of prime rib and shrimp.
Yeah. What about you, Patty?
Heck yeah.
Are you glad we
Cindy's
came?
here. Yeah.
I know. I don't even know why I'd ask you.
Yeah, it was very good. I enjoyed it all.
So there you go. I agree. Thumbs up. I'm really glad we came. If you get to Walt Disney World and you want to experience these characters, and honestly, I think it's probably one of the best buffets here, at least in the top 3, 1900 Park Fair. Till next time, everybody, we'll see you on down the road. Bye.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.